Wanted to see the hype about Truck Central. Smaller than what I thought, but like it was calm. There were like 20 food trucks or so. We started with this Korean food truck. My sister and friend got this boba drink. Had to taste theirs first. Thank God I didn't buy. There were a lot of, should I say, celebrities here. Different trucks sold different foods. One truck was even selling amala. I have to compose myself. I think every day they have something they do. So this night was karaoke night. Whenever you place your order, the truck gives you this fake Nokia touch light that will beep whenever your food is ready. Normal me now, order pasta as usual. Everybody shout pasta, girly. By the way, someone should tell Nigerian men that staring is rude. Vanilla ice cream supremacy. Ordered shawarma and left. Cause now my mama they feed me.